Hi all, today we will discuss about push the data from one document to another document inside FAXCF. We have some proven mechanisms for that. Revising that document is one of the example, or copy to new document is another example. We can use direct queries, and another options also available like called open document. I'll explain one by one. First, a revised document. Mainly in sales quotation or in estimation document, customer will ask us to give one option to revise the document. Normally, it's for bargaining. Customer, we will send the quotation to customer, and then customer will make some bargaining, and then after that we'll we'll give some discount, and we'll resend that quotation again. So what will happen if the estimator is editing the same document? So we won't know the tracking. What all are the changes made inside that document? So a owner should know about the changes which is made in every document. So what we are doing in sales quotation and all, we are giving the revision option. So he can simply revise the document. Simply he can revise the document and make a new document in the same name or in the same document number or in another document number. He will change something there and he will send that quotation number. So I will explain how to enable this, where it will be enabled, and the procedure section also I will explain. So as you can see, there is a revise document option is there. If you are clicking this, one pop-up will show. There you can enter the reason for revision and you can save it. So new document will be saved with the same detail of this document in this document number. So you can go to this document number and you can enter the changes. That is the purpose. So I will explain how to do the changes. You can go to document master of sales quotation, and inside miscellaneous tab there is procedure options. It is not available here, so you have to go to its source document. So there is procedure option is there. See, here we are simply putting one predefined key, revision document creation, and we are giving the description. This you can give anything. Normally it will be revised document, and we will put in the procedure option. That's why it is displaying here. You don't need to do anything other than the default procedure. You can simply put a key called revision document creation, and then these options will be enabled there. Revision option will be enabled in the document and user can use this. So there is a procedure also. This procedure is helping us to get the new document number, revised document number, but saving is happening here. This is the procedure. Here we are taking all details from the document and we are finding the new document number, new document type. Document type will be the same. We are finding the new document number. We will save the changes to new document number. So user can go there and he can change as he wants. The next, there are some screenshot also you can refer. The next one is copy to new document. By default, in every document we are putting this option, copy to new document. It is coming under exports. So if you are clicking this, a copy of the same document will be created, but it is not in the saved stage. New document number will be created and if you are saving this, the same data will be saved. So user can use this in some special cases. He can use the copy to new document and he can change. Maybe there will be in 8 line items there is only one change will be there. So he can simply use this export option and he can change the document. And an important thing regarding this copy to new document, we are not copying the previous details, document details here. So there will not be any document allocation will not be there. Okay. So I'll tell you how to enable this option. Go to document master. There is export button will be there. If it is not available, you have to go to source document. This is the thing. You have to simply put this key into key section and make a description like this, and you can give the document and simply save. Then this option will be enabled. Then one more option is there called a direct query. You can use the procedure option here. You can use the procedure option to make one special query like this for explicitly for this document. You can make a query and you can refer that query here. Press put new, give the document key as the procedure name and description. For example, some customer will ask us to generate job automatically from sales quotation after approving this. So if you are giving anything in document master procedure section, it will be available here in this list. So with this transaction posting or cancel posting, that option also will be available with the given description. So user can simply click and we can take the backend data and we can process. We can map his requirement. That is the general query. And finally, we have open document concept that I will explain. So we have an employee called this. So open document, in brief, it is we are opening a new document from an existing document. We are pushing the data of an existing document to a new document. We will get all the data there, but it will be new stage. You can simply change some if you have any changes there, and then you can save the data. So I will show you the working first. You have to click this salary structure. See, this inside attachment, this option is an open document concept. This is another thing, this is another thing, but this is defined as an open document concept. If you are clicking this, our thing will work, and we are taking his detail into a new document called salary structure. Basically, we are creating the salary structure for him. So we will change the effective date, currency, basic salary, anything. We can change this thing and we can save. I will explain you how to enable this thing. Go to document master. Go to miscellaneous. There is, see, it is coming under attachments option. So you have to search it for attachment option. This is our guide. Okay, so we have to, this is mandatory here. You have to put the key as open document. Then only it will work like this concept. And then you have to write a query like this. This is anything, any procedure you can give like this, but that query is having a special structure that I will show. There is 2-3 things are mandatory. First thing is FI code. Second one, docno, doc type and docno. So the docno should be like this, new. You have to put the new as a docno, then only it will it will open as a new document and with some existing data. So you have to map the details correctly into the targeted header or detail column. And one more thing additionally, if you want one more open document, one more key there, you have to give the serial number also with this open doc 1, open doc 2, like that you can do, and then you have to make a query for that and you can work accordingly. Thank you.